G'day and welcome to another video. In today's video, I have a question. Do you always get drawn to the same colour yarn? And if you've got a stash and you look at your stash, is it all mainly that same colour? Mine's blue, or any version of blue. So it can be dark blue, aqua blue, something with blue. What else we got? There's another blue. Whoops, there. This is a greeny blue. I like blue. Are you always drawn to that same colour? I'm terrible. It's always been blue. Sometimes it's green, which is kind of, isn't it blue and green should never be seen? No, there's something like that. But I'm always drawn to blue. But hey, I can't help it. It's just me. Maybe it's to do with my star sign. I'm a Virgo. Has that got anything to do with it? I don't know. But yeah, do you ever get drawn? I can see another blue. And this one's really pretty. Another blue. This one is Cascade yarn. And all those ones up there are all red heart. There's some Super Saver. That's, where is it? This one here is like the stripes one. That one I think is called Hopscotch. I'm not quite sure. Oh, and my other colour that I'm drawn to is grey. Every shades. 50 shades. All the shades of grey. I can't help it. It's just me. So do you have a colour that you are always craving? Leave your answer in the box below. I would leave your answer in the comment section below. I would love to hear your answer. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, happy crochet. Bye.